Why is mentee don't make money like their mentor? People they ask this question a lot, and I will answer the question today. And there is two answers to it. The second one is the most important one. The first one is just everybody can do it, or everybody can get access to it. But the second question is the one that there is no shortcut to it. You must face it, and that's the major reason why mentees don't really make money like their mentors. So let's get into it. The number one is, does the mentee have large capital like the mentor? That's number one. Because now mentee will enter, maybe mentee have a trade as in capital of, let me say, $100 or $200, and mentor maybe drop a signal or they enter the same trade, and the mentor maybe is having like maybe 100k or 200k capital. I don't know, I'm just saying. But they might enter the same trade, and at the end of the day the mentor might be making like 100k, 200k dollars, which the mentee might be making like $10, $20 out of the same trade both of them entered. And the mentor might just make a withdrawal and go start balling with the 200k he made. A mentee can never ball with $20 or $30. So that's the major problem there. So capital is part of it. Mentor has large capital than mentee. So mentee might have access to large capital, yeah. But the second part is where the problem is. So the second one is, mentor might teach mentee everything he knows about his strategy. But at the end of the day, even that mentee might be that brilliant on that sharp that the mentee will learn exact the same stuff the mentor taught him. But where the problem is, there is no way the mentor can give the mentee his experience in forex trading or his knowledge in forex trading. No, that's where the problem is. A mentor can only teach his strategy, but not his experience in trading, not his discipline, not his years of mastering. He cannot teach it to a mentee. So a mentee has to go through that route to learn it himself, and he must definitely learn it a hard way because he will blow money back to back. He has to go through it, lose money back to back, master himself, his psychology, as in learn discipline in trading. That's the problem. That's why mentee hardly make money like a mentor. A mentor have been mastering his craft, his trading strategy, everything himself for years, which mentee has to go through that route, mastering himself, and it might take years before a mentee can be able to make money. That's the major reason. Not that mentor doesn't teach. Mentor teach what is working, but mentee cannot trade it like a mentor because they don't have the same experience. In forex trading, strategy is not the problem. What the problem is your experience. So just know that. And when one has they ask the question, why mentees are not making money like a mentor? The experience are not the same. That's what the problem is. Peace, guys.